Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me Tembeka from Yizo.com. Today's video is about Umkhokha the curse. After Gabsile confesses about killing Umthembu, Difa asks Gabsile what else they have done. Gabsile said, on the day of Mthembu's funeral, Mamzobe sent me to stir the grave soil and bile. When Difa heard that, he feels more pain where he stepped by Mamzobe. He said, we've looking for the bile the whole night at Velas's funeral, but you know whereabout? She said, yes, it was with me all the time. When her father looked at her, she continues, Father, there is something we did to Mabusi. We stole Mabusi's underwear so that Mabusi and Zamcolo won't got children. Unfortunately, I stole the wrong underwear. It was Nokbonga's underwear. Difa said, Mapalala, he haven't got grandchild because of you, Gabsile. Gabsile apologized. Difa went to other room where Mamzobe was. He asked Mamzobe, what kind of a person or animal you are? Really, you killed Mthembu. Not Mthembu only, you kill even his legacy. Mamzobe, you are the king of witchcraft, Wena. I'm going to tell Mthembu's family about your witchcraft. And I'm going to make sure that you rot in jail. Mamzobe tries to pray Mthembu. Difa heard her, and he said, don't you dare call Mthembu. Where do you get nerves to call Mthembu by your mother? The same Mthembu you killed, there's something wrong with your head. You need to go and examine. Mamzobe said, Mthembu preaches us the peace. Tata Zobelicious. Difa said, there was no Umkhokha to their family. Umkhokha is Mamzobe herself. I thank you. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and press notification button to be the first to see whenever I upload it. Bye you.